the number of companies having developed their own tools or having applied the newest standards in terms of environmental accounting has exploded. If you think of Kering in France with the EPNL or Danone with its carbon accounting, or other companies like Dow Chemical or Unilever, many companies have worked on their environmental accounting since the last 10 years. There is an advantage when you talk to consumers, when you talk to your shareholders. Potential investors might be interested in the way that you are able to account for your impact. It's also interesting when you have contact with either the government. And if you work, for example, for Danone or for Unilever or for Walmart, they ask you to develop your accounting for your own products. So there is an increased demand going from multinational to smaller organizations today. Especially for companies who are looking at the SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals, and those looking at planet boundaries and science-based targets. So what they're looking at right now is not only to account for, but to account for taking into the limits of our planet. And the goals of reducing poverty or reducing the impact on human rights and things like that. So the most advanced are looking at those boundaries and not just accounting with a purpose. We need to find increasingly innovative way of measuring how companies benefit to society. So for example, when you work on the bottom of the pyramid, or if you work on products such as products that are in Africa reducing the problem of malnutrition, you are contributing to reducing poverty. And the way that companies can account for their impact through what they do is the next challenge for us in research and in practice as well.